Frank. What the Frank? Our word of today is cryptozoology. 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 This means we're going to study and debate the existence of animals that may or may not have existed. Like, for example, the cryptozoology has been very concentrated on if the dodo bird actually existed or not. Wherever this word came up, dodo bird, which I actually believe it's a half cartoon series from somewhere or something else, that's cryptozoology. It's the study if a prehistoric animal actually existed or not. This is Frank. What the Frank?